Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have a mint mongoose. I feel like it's been forever since I've had one of these. Okay, got my little envelope and my Werthers. So mint mongoose is $12 a month. You get 3 pieces of jewelry. It's customizable so you can choose silver or gold or rose gold, earrings, no earrings, watch, no watch, that sort of a thing. They do ship worldwide, but they have shipping costs. I don't know what the shipping costs are. And they have a larger version, the Mint Mongoose Black, which is a little more expensive, but you get more stuff. All right, fun earrings here. Ooh, these are cute. Simple. Let's try them on. Okay, so those are cute, right? Sort of dramatic, but simple. I actually really love these. Okay, and then it looks like I have a matching necklace. Okay, yeah, this is a matching necklace. You can see, can you see the detail on there? It's actually quite pretty. I wonder if I can shove this over my noggin. I sure can, look at that. Very nice. And then what is this? Oh, and then another rose gold necklace, but this one has just a bar on it. That's actually really cute. And you could totally get that engraved, you know, with your name or whatever you wanted it to say. Has an adjustable chain length, which is nice. Oh, the shortest one is still pretty long, but that's cute. Of course, I'm never wearing the right shirt. There we go, look at that. Anyway, 3 really lovely pieces. Oh, I'm excited. I really love these earrings. Okay, so I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!